Came across this stainless steel TV stand that a guy dropped off and didn't want anymore. And so I'm going to try to fix it up. I'll show you what I got here. It's pretty heavy duty. It's, I believe, 430 grade stainless because it is magnetic, but it looks really nice. It's about 1/8 inch thick material. It's got some CNC laser cutting, acorn cap nuts, but I am missing one caster down here, so I'm gonna see if I can't find a replacement for that. But yeah, I thought this was just a little too nice just to let go to the scrap yard, so I'm gonna see what I can do to fix it up and check on my blade that I started painting yesterday, see how that's turned out. It's looking better. I don't know, I should probably do another coat. Okay, I think we got most of the big chunks. I think we got most of the big chunks. So this is my pile of concrete rubble, this right here. Right here. This is all concrete rubble with wire in it. And follow my jackhammer. Over here, this is concrete that had rebar in it, and it's all nice stuff. So this stuff will get buried. This stuff will get put along the river for shoring along the riverbank. That's looking okay for now, so we're just going to pack this little backhoe up. All right, I'm gonna grab some of this metal out of here. couldn't find a matching caster wheel for, like with these stainless hoods on them. So I grabbed this, which I don't really like it, but I was thinking I would just take one of the stainless hooded casters and bring it up to the front here. But either way, this is too big in diameter. I don't like it, but I think I'm gonna just order the proper caster. Okay, well I ran out of the Bobcat black paint, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the Rust-Oleum. It's charcoal gray to go over it with the second coat. I think that'll be fine. I'm going to end this video with this little project. So thanks for watching.